मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा।
Hello everyone, I'm Khushi and today I'm here to present a few words about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, affectionately called as Netaji, was one of the most prominent leaders of Indian freedom struggle. Though Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru have garnered much of the credit for successful culmination of Indian freedom struggle, the contribution of Subhash Chandra Bose is no less. He has been denied his rightful place in the annals of Indian history. He founded Indian National Army, Azad Hind Force, to overthrow British Empire from India and came to acquire legendary status among Indian masses. He was born in Cuttack, Orissa on 23rd January 1897 to Janakinath Bose and Prabhavati Devi. His father Janakinath Bose was a well-known lawyer of his time. His mother Prabhavati Devi was a religious woman. Subhash Chandra Bose was a brilliant student who had scored the second position in the matriculation exam. At an early age, he started reading about Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna and was influenced by their teachings. Bose completed his B.A. Hons in philosophy in 1918 from the University of Calcutta. He later went to England in September 1919 for further studies. He was selected for the Indian Civil Service, but he did not want to stay in England and serve the British government. Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from his civil service job in 1921 and returned to India after hearing of the national turmoil in India. From a young age, Subhash Chandra Bose had the nationalist temperament and Britishers' discrimination towards India would fill him with rage. To serve the country, he joined the Indian National Congress. Bose joined the non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji under his influence. Bose was a revolutionary freedom fighter who was also known to have founded the Azad Hind Army or Indian National Army. For his revolutionary movements, Bose had been to jail several times. He was suspected of connections with secret revolutionary movements and was sent to Mandela jail in Burma, Myanmar, where he contracted tuberculosis. Bose was elected the president of Congress Party and worked along with Jawaharlal Nehru, another great political leader. Both had a more militant and left-wing approach to independence, which became a reason for Bose's differences with Gandhiji and other Congress leaders. Bose's selfless contribution to India's independence movement and organizing and leading the Indian National Army is indispensable. His struggle of independence was highlighted during the civil disobedience movement, for which he had even been arrested. In fact, he was imprisoned 11 times for his ideologies and the use of force against the British. Later, he went out of the country seeking an alliance with other countries to fight against British forces. He earned the support of the Japanese and they agreed to help him in forming the Indian National Army in Southeast Asia. Later on, he became the commander of INA. The Indian National Army attacked the northeastern parts of India. This attack took place under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose, and he was even successful in acquiring a few portions of northeastern parts of India. Unfortunately, the surrender of the Japanese forced him to withdraw and call off the war. It is believed that he died in a plane crash on 18 August 1945. Subhash Chandra Bose was an unforgettable national hero who fought for the country's freedom struggle against the British till his last breath.